Well, we've been very excited about our Student Transformative Learning Record Initiative, STLR, we just say STELLAR. It helps develop students beyond disciplinary skills, and those are the things, of course, we all know employers absolutely demand from new hires, which aren't necessarily related to the content of the major, but it also helps expand their perspectives of their relationships to self, others, community, and environment. One of the things that has allowed us to scale STELLAR, both at our own university as well as at other institutions that are now adopting and adapting, is that in our application for a grant, which has helped supporting this scaling, we identified what we term some priority populations, first generation, low income, underrepresented. And with Illume and the ability to use the filters, as well as our 4 custom STELLAR filters that are part of the Illume mix, we're able to get very specific. For example, a selected ethnicity among first-generation students. We're able to find out things such as the impact that STELLAR has relative to our students who are on warning or on probation academically. And this kind of level of specificity is good at the university, our University of Central Oklahoma, because it allows us to take the message about STELLAR to different units across campus, but then externally it allows us to take the message to, for example, our employers. And our ability to identify for them the kinds of skills that are being developed with STELLAR among populations that they are interested in taking in order to build a diverse workforce. In the bottom quartile of students who are most at risk for not returning the next semester, we were seeing an associated retention lift of over 20%. No matter how we slice and dice, if we're comparing the impact of STELLAR, for example, against first generation African American, if we decide to take a look at it that way, or a particular group of students, we're still seeing an increase, a double-digit increase in terms of retention improvement. And here is where having those solid numbers are really important. The return on investment. At the University of Central Oklahoma, a fall-to-fall 1% retention bump across our entire student body recoups for us about $1.3 million. The ability to have that information and talk in that way is really, really important.